Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English writing journey for beginners. In Activity 4, we're going to learn about something super important in English, Subject-Verb Agreement. Subject-Verb Agreement means that the subject and the verb in a sentence have to match, or, let's say, agree with each other. Let's break that down to make it easy. What is a subject? The subject is who or what the sentence is about. It's the person, animal, or thing doing the action. For example, the cat, that's who the sentence is about. Another example, my friend. Yep, that's a subject too. What is a verb? The verb is the action word. It tells us what the subject is doing. Like this, runs. That's the action. Or this, jumps. Another action. If we put these together, the cat runs, my friend jumps. How do they agree? The subject and the verb have to match or agree to make the sentence sound right. If the subject is one person or thing, add the S to the verb. For example, the cat runs. One cat, so we add S to run. If the subject is more than one, like they, we, or let's say cats, the verb does not get an S. For example, the cats run. More than one cat, so no S is necessary on the verb run. Let's look at some examples. She plays with toys. She is one person, so the verb has an S. They play with toys. They is more than one, so no S on the verb. The dog barks. We have one dog, so there's an S on the verb. The dogs bark. There's more than one dog, so there's no S on the verb. Here's a tip. Think of the subject and verb as best friends. They have to match to get along. If the subject is just one, like let's say a cat or he, the verb needs to have the S, like runs or plays. If the subject is more than one, like cats or they, then the verb doesn't need the S. All right, it's time to get to work. When writing a sentence, the subject and the verb must agree. If the subject is singular, one person or thing, the verb usually ends in S. If the subject is plural, more than one person or thing, the verb does not end in S. The subjects you and I are special. Even though I is one person, it uses the base form of the verb, just like plural subjects. The same is true for you. There are some exceptions, but we will focus on the basic rules first and look at common exceptions later. Below is a table outlining the basic set of rules for subject-verb agreement. Now look at this table in Activity 4. They show examples in 3 columns: the subject, the verb form, and the example. So the only time we would be using an S on the verb is when the subject is singular. Now, it is also important to go over the notes. And just as a side note, if you have any questions or are having trouble understanding the subject-verb agreement, be sure to put your question in the comments section of this video, and I will answer them. Okay, now let's read the notes. Singular subject examples. Okay, these are all the pronouns: she, he, it, or an example, the cat. Plural subject examples such as they, we, or cats, people. Now, there are some exceptions in special cases like is and was, which are verbs to be, but we'll discuss that later. There are some details we can cover in a future video, but for now, let's stick to simplest forms of subject-verb agreement so you can get a better understanding and improve your writing skills. So let's get started. The instructions say check the correct verb to complete the sentence. All you have to do is pick one of the two, to see if you can have the subject and verb agree. We can format this like a quiz. What do you say? Yes? Sounds good to me. Let's do it. Number 1, she blank every morning. Now, is the answer A or B?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The answer is B, runs. Did you get it right? She runs every morning. Awesome. Number 2, they blank playing soccer after school.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The answer is A, enjoy. They enjoy playing soccer after school. Let's keep going. Number 3, the dog blank at strangers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is B, barks. The dog is singular, so the verb is going to have the S. We're on a roll. Number 4, we blank to the park on the weekends.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, go. We go to the park on the weekends. Number 5, it blank water to grow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is B, needs. It is singular, so the verb is going to have the S. It needs water to grow. Number 6, I blank reading books about history.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, like. No S on the verb. Number 7, you blank to school every day.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, walk. No S on the verb. You walk to school every day. Number 8, the boys blank basketball in the afternoon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, play. Boys is plural, so the verb will not have an S. The boys play basketball in the afternoon. Number 9, she blank letters to her family.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is B, writes. She writes letters to her family. She is singular, so the verb is going to have an S. Well, how did you do? Are you more confident in understanding subject-verb agreement? If you feel you need more practice, watch this video again from the beginning. In fact, you can watch it as many times as you need to. But guess what? We are not done. Now you get to write 3 original sentences using the verbs go, enjoy, and like. Now, don't worry if you're not 100% confident yet. You can always use one of the sentences we covered and just change some of the information. For example, number 4 says, we go to the park on weekends. We can change the subject from we to I and change the sentence to I go to the park on weekends. You can also change the location from park to store, and it would read, I go to the store on weekends. See? You can do this. Now practice by writing your 3 sentences on your own. Pick one of your sentences and put it in the comments of this video. I would really like to see what you come up with. Great job! Just amazing work you are doing. We're making serious progress. Don't forget to like and share this video with others learning English and wanting to improve their writing skills. If you don't have your copy of the textbook yet, click the link in the description or visit our website, iwtle.com, and get your copy to get the full experience. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.